Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time to learn how to reset entire Edge settings in Windows 11. So, if you're having issues with Microsoft Edge or you just want a fresh start, resetting Edge settings can help. This will restore Edge to its default state, which will resolve browser issues without needing a full reinstall. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to load the Microsoft Edge browser on your PC. And then you have to click on the triple dot icon in the upper right corner of the browser. And then you have to choose settings from the drop down menu. And after that you have to click on the menu icon in the left sidebar. And in the left sidebar, scroll down a bit and choose the reset settings option. And then you have to click on restore settings to their default values on the right. And now a pop-up message will appear explaining that resetting will delete settings like startup preferences, pin tabs, and cookies, but will not delete bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. And then you have to click on reset to confirm. And then you have to close and reopen Edge to complete the whole process, and that's about it. You have successfully reset the Microsoft Edge to its default settings on your Windows 11. This simple reset can help you resolve many browser issues and improve performance. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.